Hey everyone, just want to share with you this amazing tool that Amazon has rolled out. It's called uh, targeting. Okay, so now what is a targeting? So if you can see, there may be hundreds of campaigns, right? So for example, there can be like, see, for example, for this client, we are having 1092 campaigns. So in each campaign there may be hundreds of keywords, right? And then there must be some keywords which are exactly doing pretty good, and some keywords are just wasting your money. So in order to identify which keywords are actually wasting your money, you can instead of going into each campaign and checking which keyword is eating your money and which is not eating your money, you can actually do this thing with the new option that Amazon has rolled out, is targeting. Now the major thing over here, and the best thing over here is, instead of, a lot of sellers, what they do is, when the ACOS becomes very high for a campaign, they just pause the campaign. So instead of pausing the campaign, why not pause a keyword which is triggering a lot of high ACOS? Meaning, let's say if you have 100 keywords in one campaign, there can be a chance that out of 100 keywords, 6 keywords are taking 80% of your spend and they are eating up your entire money, while the rest of the keywords are very profitable. So how can you troubleshoot and use this option? So you have to go to Amazon, click on targeting, click on filter, then you can just click on clicks, or don't even go with clicks, you can go with filter, go with spend. Let's say spend equals to 50. So I'm telling Amazon, hey Amazon, show me those keywords in each campaign which have spended more than 50. Okay, they are spending more than 50 rupees and they have got orders equals to 0. Like they have got 0 orders and they have spent more than 50 rupees. Right? So now you can see I've got almost 103 keywords or ASINs which have spent more than 50 rupees per keyword, and they have so if you see over here, from 1st August to 20th August, we have spent 8,822 rupees on the entire account for all the keywords and ASIN which have spent 50 rupees and have got 0 sales. So what you can do over here is, you can just click on this and click on bulk operations and just click on pause. Once you click on pause, what's going to happen is you're basically going to pause all these keywords or ASIN from each of the campaigns. So this is a campaign, this is the ad group, and this is a keyword inside that. So you'll pause all the keywords and the ASIN which are eating your money, and this 8,000 rupees that you're spending on a monthly basis will be reduced to 0. This is exactly how you can use a targeting operations, like targeting option, to actually increase your sales. Reduce your ACOS and increase your sales and reduce the wasted ad spend. The second thing that you can do is, this option shows you exactly which keyword is performing the best for you. So when you click over here, the 3 dots, and click top performers and choose the metrics as orders, you will be shocked. So let me just show you. For example, let me just take it over here. Let's click top performers and click on orders. So this keyword has performed the best in the entire entire campaign. It has got me 268 orders in phrase match, which is amazing. Now this data is so useful because now what you can do is you can find this keyword and you can increase the bid of this keyword with, like you can create a separate campaign, put this keyword alone into that campaign and bid very aggressive for top of the search, so that your ads always perform the best. I hope guys this tutorial was really useful. If you have any other questions, you can let me know. Thank you.